Hey everyone, welcome back to Cracking the GRE Math Subject Test. We're on Calculus 1. This is the 6th question. In this question, we're given a piecewise defined function. We're told what the value of the function is at every point except x equals 2. And then at x equals 2, it's some number k. And we're told that this function is continuous everywhere, and we're asked to find the value of k. Well, remember that continuous everywhere means that the limit equals the value of the function at every value of x. So what they're actually asking you here is to find limit as x approaches 2. Let's write that out. Limit as x approaches 2 of this expression. X squared minus 6x plus 8 over x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x minus 4. Now if we just plug in 2, we'll get 0 over 0. So 4 minus 12 is negative 8 plus 8 is 0, and then 8 minus 8 is 0 plus 4 minus 4 is also 0. So what we should try to do is to factor out an x minus 2, because if we're looking at the limit, then if we can factor out an x minus 2 from the numerator and the denominator, we can cancel it out, because we're interested in what happens at every value of x except 2. That's the whole point of the limit. So let's see if we can do that. If we take does x minus 2 factor out of x squared minus 6x plus 8? I think it does, because we can write x minus 2 times x minus 4. Yeah, and that'll give us negative 6x in the middle. And then in the denominator, well, one way to factor this is to say x squared times x minus 2, that's this part right here, plus 2 times x minus 2. So we can actually factor out that x minus 2, and then we'll get x squared plus 2. Now the way to do this is by long division. I can show you how to do that too. If you have x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x minus 4, and you divide by x minus 2, well, x goes into x cubed x squared times. That'll give you x cubed minus 2x squared. If you subtract that, it cancels out, and then you get 2x minus 4, and x goes into 2x 2 times. And x minus 2 times 2 is also 2x minus 4, so that cancels. So then you know that the result, the quotient, is x squared plus 2. Alright, well now we can cancel out the x minus 2, and if we plug in x equals 2, we'll get 2 minus 4, which is negative 2, and 2 squared plus 2, which is 4 plus 2, which is 6. So we get negative 1/3.